Okay, so I was telling,
Losses.
you go to walkme.com, then you select ESP32, and from here we can select components. LED, put it here. There are two sides of LED. One is negative, one is positive. This one is negative. C means cathode, cathode means negative. It will be grounded always, connected to ground.
Okay.
Okay, and this positive side you can connect it to any pin you like. Let's say I connect it to D5. Okay, here we write its code.
What is the TX or DX RX transmission receiving?
Pins?
That
You are talking about these pins?
yes.
These are for UART transmission, for communication with other devices. We will see that later. Right now we are just focusing on D pin, digital pins. Okay. You can connect LED to any of these pins. And there are two blocks. There are two blocks in the code. This is C++, C++ language. One block is setup and one block is loop. These two blocks are must. If you don't put these blocks, there will be an error in the program. Okay.
So this will be purely C++ program.
Yes.
So is there anything like any GUI interface or anything for getting that program?
No, it is not. It's not GUI. It is Arduino basically.
Okay.
This is the same program that is used in Arduino.
Arduino.
It is basically C++.
Okay.
Okay, first of all, wherever you connect an LED, that pin is declared output. For that we write pin mod. It is 5, so we write 5 output. Okay. That is necessary. Wherever you connect an LED, that pin is declared output. Okay, we declared it output. Now we can turn it on or off. For that we write digital write 5 high. That will make
actually in practically how it will be happening, how we can give the battery connection and everything.
How we can do what?
Battery. Actually, we need the power, no? Input.
Okay. We will discuss that too. But here you see there is a USB port. It takes its power from USB.
Okay.
Or if we create a circuit, we provide 5 volt here at V in.
Okay.
If we want to put it in a circuit, then we give 5 volt here, and there are many 3-4 ground pins. You can connect ground anywhere. It will be activated. Okay. Now very simple circuit and very simple program. It will just turn on this pin. You can run it from here. Just click start and it will start. Okay, it is compiling. Normally it runs within 10 seconds, but it is taking much time. I don't know why. Yes.
Okay.
This is Arduino software.
Arduino is free, right?
What?
Arduino is free.
Yes. Blink both of them. This was connected to 5 and this is connected to D4. What should I do? and make it high here. It will be reversed now. 1 on, 1 off. And make it 1000 again so that we can see it clearly. Okay, I'm connecting another LED. Okay, this one grounded as well. And I am connecting it to D2. And let's make it blue. Okay, I am just deleting these lines. Blue is connected to, so pin 2 must be declared output. That is the first step. Okay, now let's say I want to turn on blue. Only blue and other two are off. First step, blue on. How can I do that? Blue on, red and green off. I will just write digital write. Blue is at D2. Okay, so 2 high, and that's it. Blue will be on, other two are off. Right? Okay, now let's say I want after 2 seconds red should be on. So what I will do, I will give a delay. Delay, let's say 2000. Yes, 2000, because we need 2000 delay. And then digital write. Red is at 5. Okay, 5 high. Okay, and let's say after that I want after 1 second green on, and after 3 seconds all off. Okay, a delay of 1 second, that means 1000. Then green on. Green is at D4. Okay. Digital write 4 high. And after 3 seconds, that means delay 3000. All should be off. So I will write digital write 2, 4 and 5. 2 low. And just copy paste this line 2 times. Control C, V and V. 2, 4 and 5. Okay, now it should work according to our pattern. First of all, blue will be on. After 2 seconds, red on. And after 1 second, green should also be on. Red on, green on, and after 3 seconds, all should be off. Okay. This is first lesson. You should know how to turn on or off a pin. And for how many times you want to turn it on, for how many times you want to turn it off, when is to turn it on and when to turn it off. This is the first lesson. If you can do this, you can turn on off different appliances. You can connect fan instead of red. You can connect your AC instead of green LED. You can connect washing machine. instead of this blue LED. If you can turn on of them, you can turn on of your different appliances. Okay, and if I want this process to repeat again and again, we should write it inside the loop.
Loop.
And you need a delay here also. Let's say 1000. Okay. Now this process will keep on repeating.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay, now let's make it a bit better. All these pins are grounded. Now see, all these pins are grounded. So you can
Yes.
delete these two lines. This will make circuit a bit cleaner. Connect it here because this line is connected to ground. So this and this point is grounded. And you can connect this here as well. So it is a bit better. And inside the program, I can make it a bit better. I can write int.
Yeah. Now the blue all things are both are ground. Blue.
Yes. All are grounded. All now see, this is connected. Oh, okay. Oh, that was wrong. That was wrong. I need to delete this line. Ground. I need to
Yes.
delete ground. This and this. Yes. Okay, connect it. Okay, now these are this point, and this point. All these 3 points are grounded now. You don't need to connect them separately to the ground. And for the program, we can make it better. You can write int read. Red. Red is connected to 5. Make it 5. Int green. Green was connected to 4, so we can make it 4. And int blue is equal to 2. This will make our program more understandable. Okay. So here I don't need to write 4, 5 and 2, and I don't need to remember which pin was connected. I want to turn on 3 LEDs, so I will write red is output, green is output, and blue is output. Right? Red means 5, green means 4, blue means 2.
So you are saying that name, right?
Yes. Now see here I can write blue on blue. I can write just here blue. Right?
Yes.
And 2 seconds, then red is on, I can write here red. And after 1 second, green should be on, I can write green here. It will make it easier to write a program. We don't need to remember which LED was connected. Here I can write red is off, green is off, and here I can write blue is off. Okay, so this will work the same way, and it is a better version. Okay, connected 3 LEDs, you connect 4, 5 or 6 LEDs and practice to turn them on or off. Okay, I will send you video, watch it and practice.
Okay.
Okay, tell me if you have any question or any problem.
Actually, this is a preliminary step for the Wi-Fi, right?
Yes, yes.
So we will do the Wi-Fi programming and everything inside this code, or
Yes, yes. We will create an app,
okay.
and we will create an app, a practical circuit, and we will see how it works with the app.
Only we are doing this ESP32 or Arduino board is there.
I will send you component list. Actually, we will not use ESP32. We will be using ESP8266. Because in simulation 86 is not available. That's why I am using this. Because this one and 8266 both are the same thing. They are same thing. There is a just little difference between these pins. Otherwise, both are
Okay.
same. They look same and they work in the same way. Let me show you. ESP 826. That is 8266. I will send you a list. Yes, this one is.
Okay.
Now see, it looks similar.
ESP
8266.
is the Wi-Fi.
8266.
Hello.
Hello?
ESP8266 is the Wi-Fi board.
Yes, yes. It is called Node MCU. See this? It is called Node MCU.
Okay.
I will send you component list. Look for these components. We will do 3-4 classes on simulation, and then we will move on to the practical circuits.
Okay. So how many classes we have for this Wi-Fi?
How many classes for?
This Wi-Fi course.
I think it will take around 10 days. It will be completed in 10 days if we do regular classes for 10 days. Okay.
All right.